Hi Tina and Christina and everyone with Pro Home Improvement. My name is Christian Renna. I'm with Ringen SEO. We're a local digital marketing agency. Just wanted to shoot this quick video for you, give you guys some free tips and tricks you can use on your own to increase your online presence. A couple things I'm going to talk about today: content, citations, and backlinks. Contrary to popular belief, your website can actually bring you leads in and of itself without paying outside services like Home Advisor and Angie's List. And the leads that come through your website are going to be exclusive to you, so they're not shared with 3 or 4 different contractors. But back to the guts of the stuff today. 3 things we're going to talk about: content, citations, and backlinks. The first being content. Content is king. Google loves content. All search engines love content. The thing to keep in mind is that content isn't just words, it's also pictures and how the pictures are saved and what's behind the pictures and alt tags and meta descriptions and site titles, so on and so forth. So I've been through I've spent a couple minutes here. I've been looking at your website. A couple things I want to point out. This thing kind of pops up a lot, like almost too much in my opinion. So I'm not sure if this is something that you're trying to have happen, but it's almost like a pester. But just thought I'd throw that out there. If that's what you want, then I just putting in my 2 cents. But either way, as far as some things we can change here, you want to have minimum 1,500 words. So like I said, content is king. You want to have 1,500 words minimum on any page you're trying to rank. So here I'm on your roofing advice page, which is nice that you're giving advice to the customers. And you do have some content here, but definitely not the 1,500 needed. Now this may actually have it. So I didn't put this through word counter or anything. So I would just highly suggest going through and making sure that you have 1,500 words minimum on any page you're trying to rank. So, and that's key. Also, how you save your photos. So a lot of times when photos are uploaded and saved on a website, they're just saved as whatever the computer came up with, which is usually random numbers and letters. You want to make sure to save those as buyer intent keywords. So if we go to your roofing page, your website has a lot of information. So I'm not sure if it's very confusing, to be honest with you. I don't know if you feel the same way or if this is how you want it, but you have a lot of stuff going on and it's like I don't even know where to go with this website. But and it looks like you have a lot of service areas, so I'm not sure if maybe you're a franchise or maybe you just work in these different areas. But either way, 1,500 words minimum on any page, and then also you want to save your photos as buyer intent keywords. Next, citations. What a citation is anywhere on the web that your business name, address, and phone number is listed in various directories. That would include Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages, Yelp, Chamber of Commerce. All those give you citations. The more citations you have, the higher up you're going to rank in this map pack. So as you can see, I typed in Northville Home Improvement Companies, and home improvement is kind of like halfway in your name. We got Home Renew Construction, we got Epiphany Kitchens, and we got Sun Home Improvement. You guys aren't here. Really, this is where you want to be. These are the people that are going to be bringing in the money for that. And then more importantly than that, if you're not there, you at least want to be down here organically, which you guys actually aren't here. So that just goes to show that even though your website has what it has, it's not actually bringing you much value. Here she is again. So like another thing I want to point out: Kingdom Remodel. These guys, Kingdom Remodel, Castle Construction, Stella Contracting. Those 3 companies' websites are ranking for this keyword, but yet if you see, they're not in the map pack. So I know Northville is a small town. I'm not sure if you work in Plymouth or South Lyon or Novi or Wixom or where you guys go, but we can target your website, or you can target your website in any of those areas. So, but the map pack has to do with citations. Next thing, I have your Google My Business page pulled up. Couple things I want to point out. So you do have 3 reviews. We recommend 25. So just keep pushing those reviews. Not sure how long you've had this or not, but keep pushing those reviews. You do have an address, hours, and phone, so you got a completed profile. Last thing is the photos. We recommend 10 minimum, which it looks like you have 8 photos. The Google images, these ones down here, don't count. So it looks like you guys have 8 photos. You're going to want to pump that up. So you're going to want to have 10 minimum, and then again, just make sure that you save them properly. Because believe it or not, that does matter. And that'll help your Google My Business page dramatically. So you'll see a big difference. The last thing is backlinks. So what a backlink is anywhere that prohomemichigan.com is at on the internet. You guys actually have almost 700 backlinks, 669 coming from 190 referring domains. But if you notice, your domain rating is only a 16 out of 100. So very low considering the amount of backlinks you have. This goes to show me that maybe you do understand backlinks. Maybe you've paid for these, but I don't think they're bringing you much value. So you're just going to want to go in, and the thing to remember is that not all backlinks are created equal. You want your backlinks to be coming from sites that are relevant and sites that are not spammy. That's the major key. So you don't want your backlinks coming from lawn chairs for sale in Florida. You want them coming from other home improvement and roofing companies. Other than that, I hope this video finds you well. I hope that you can find the time to implement these tips and tricks into your website to bring you some revenue this upcoming season. And if you guys have any questions or comments, feel free to get in touch with me. So thank you very much for watching.